Street hat on. No thanks. Is it going to go down? From what I can remember, Spring Festival, Melbourne, and Richmond the day after. Edinburgh. She got Winter Champs, and then the weekend after Spring Festival on the Saturday, and then Richmond MKS4 on the Sunday.